Brown, black, green, gold. Brown represents digit 1. Black is 0. Green at the third position is telling me that I'm going to have 5 zeros because third position is number of zeros. Green is 5, but at the third position is telling me that I'm going to have 5 zeros. Gold is my tolerance, plus minus 5%. Let me copy this down. I got 1 million ohms plus minus 5%. I have to convert this number to the engineering notation. By moving 3 times my decimal point to the left, I'm going to end up with kilo. But the number on the left side of the decimal point is greater than 999. That's why I have to keep moving and have to add another 3 places. If you are going to move your decimal point 6 times to the left, you are going to end up with mega ohms. That's why this is equal 1 mega ohm. And the tolerance is plus minus 5%. Let's take a look at the next resistor. We have red, red, green, gold. Red represents 2. I have 2. Green at the third position is the number of zeros. In this case, I have 5 zeros. Gold is my tolerance, plus minus 5%. I have 22 and 5 zeros. Ohms, plus minus 5%. You have to convert this number to the engineering notation. Move the decimal point 1, 2, 3. 3 is not enough. I have to keep going to the left. 1, 2, 3. 6 places. That's why I'm going to have 2.2 mega ohms plus minus 5%. Remember, anytime you are going to move 3 places, you will have kilo. If you are going to move another 3 places, you are going to end up with mega. This is the resistance of this resistor.